ありがとうございます。
はい、よろしいです。
セガストア東京オープンです。
We've been struggling the business for a while, but now we are coming back, and now we are in the stage that we can really show this kind of products in the center of Shibuya. We are making many different kind of approaches. For the mobile area, we are working on a music dance game, like called Project Sekai. At the same time, of course, the movie is working very well, and also, for example, Yakuza game. Like a dragon. We rather try to expand that business globally rather than focusing on the Japanese market. Compared to the past, the console is less, but console is still a big part of our business. So we need to take care of the users on console, PC, mobile at the same time.
また2022年にはユニクロ UT クリエイティブ